And races on unpredictable, rushing up from the outside is Magnolia's Classic. Speedmaker also moving up, Queen Sprayer, Think Tank, alongside Niratan, Bringer, Rainbow, Erin, Pot Slap, and entry number 3 is running at the tail of the pit. Runner number 2, Boss General. As they race the last 600, Magnolia's Classic by Anek, followed by Speedmaker by Darrell. Queen Sprayer racing in third by about 4 lengths. Then here comes Think Tank as they race the final corner. Magnolia's Classic by Hapaland, followed by Speedmaker. Think Tank racing on the outside. Queen Sprayer by Darrell. Magnolia's Classic. Think Tank on the outside. Queen Sprayer in between runners. It's now Think Tank. Queen Sprayer down on the inside.
Maluknot. Wala ko ng, sa dulo.